We're with our good friend Charlene Patton in the Kansas Soybean Commission. Cooking with soy, always making it fun and tasty and lively as we get ready for work this Monday morning. Charlene, we're making Parmesan and herb crackers today, right?
We are, because I thought we're doing salads this month, and I thought, what goes with salads? Crackers?
Croutons,
That's
like that.
right. And we're going to do a gourmet cracker that is healthy and easy to make, and you can just make it and add the twist that you want to. So to start with, we have 1.5 cups of soy flour blend, and you're going to add a teaspoon of coarse salt.
Okay.
You're going to add 1/2 cup of grated fresh Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
And then you're going to add our herbs.
All right.
And you can use basil, rosemary. I've got rosemary in here today. You can use fresh herbs. You can use dried herbs, and it's 1 tablespoon. Now to this, you're going to add 1/2 cup of water.
Okay.
And you have 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And the vegetable oil is another soybean product. The only ingredient in that is soybeans. And look how easy that comes together. I love this recipe. These are ingredients that you would have in probably your pantry.
Yeah.
That you won't have to go and get anything. And we're doing this garden theme.
And who would ever think about making their own crackers?
I know,
Right.
yeah,
Right?
that's a good idea.
Right.
You can use different herbs, and you could vary the cheese in it, so you can make all different kinds. Well, this, I want you to see how easy this goes together. It makes a nice soft dough, very easy. And what I would do is now knead that for about 6 times to make it all smooth. But what we're going to do now, and you've got that one ready for us, great, is then after we knead that, then we're just going to roll it out, and it rolls out so easy. And then we have a little bit of water here, Denisha.
Okay.
And I'm going to let you, you hold that. And then we're just going to brush it lightly,
With water.
Chris. And you know why we're doing that?
Why?
Because we are going to add some toppings to this.
Ew.
And you can add poppy seed, you can sprinkle on sesame seeds, you could do a little bit more herbs, you could do even some more cheese on the top if you wanted to. Whatever you wanted to do. And then Blake would have fun with this. We're going to use a pizza thing, and then just like this, make them into strips. Now, if you wanted to serve these like as a snack, you can see we've cut them into little squares. But for our salads, I've just cut them into strips and then down the center like that.
Nice.
Very nice and golden brown. Okay, coming up next half hour real quick. What are we making,
We're going to
Charlene?
do an award-winning salad that's going to go with our crackers.
Very nice. And you can find this recipe and more online.
That's right, at kansassoybeans.org.
Good stuff. All right, we'll see you here in about 30 minutes. We'll be right back.
And the latest news, weather, and sports at WIBW.com. Or follow WIBW on Twitter, Facebook, and our mobile app. Thank you for making 13 News This Morning the most watched morning newscast.